Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: battery above 20%, credentials ready, and optional PC connection. First, restart the Realme C11 by holding power for 10 seconds to force a reboot. Once done, check whether safe mode persists. You may have a stuck app or accidental button press triggering it. If the phone boots into safe mode again, reboot into normal mode by using the notification safe mode option or holding power and tapping restart. This resets transient issues before deeper steps. Once you're in safe mode for diagnosis, you isolate third-party apps because safe mode disables them. This reveals if an app caused the behavior. Make sure to uninstall any apps installed or updated in the last 48 hours, starting with permission-heavy or launcher apps. After removing apps, reboot to normal mode. If the issue clears, you found the culprit. If not, clear individual app caches, and as a next step, boot recovery to wipe system, cache partition to remove corrupted caches that could force safe mode. You finish by choosing a final fix. Backup and factory reset when apps and caches fail because this restores system files and settings. If factory reset doesn't help, flash the stock ROM using a PC tool to repair firmware corruption. This resolves deep software faults. Make sure to reflash the correct Realme C11 package. One key troubleshooting tip: check for stuck or damaged volume buttons and clean the frame. A jammed button often forces boot into safe mode, so inspect and test hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.